I think we're the only ones awake on the boat right now because we're gonna go get an early breakfast. Okay, we were too early for breakfast, so now we're gonna watch the sunrise. Today in the gift shop, I decided I needed to buy something to commemorate my trip. So I bought this bear, and he's adorable, and his name is Rowan, named after the Roatan Islands of Honduras, because that was a really fun day here on the cruise. And he's just been exploring all day with me, and we're sad to see the last day go. But it's okay, because we're gonna have to go home, which is cool too, but we have so much fun. We're on our way to our last dinner on the boat. Sad.
Johnson, you want to do brats?
Okay guys, we're back from our dinner and hanging out with everyone. It's time to pack everything up for tomorrow. Here's what I'm working with. I gotta get all of this in here. And I'm not gonna be as nice as I was on my way down and roll it all up. I'm just gonna see if I can stuff it, so. Let me make sure everything's in here and then we'll get to stuffing. Oh, that's easy. I can get more stuff in there. Good night, vlog. I'm all pretty much packed up for tomorrow, and we're waking up and we're eating breakfast, and then we're on the move to Wisconsin. However, fun twist of events, there's a huge snowstorm that's supposed to happen tomorrow in the midst of our travels, so we'll see what happens. And I'm sad. I'm so sad to get off the boat. I had so much fun and a great time, and so did Rowan. So that's it, but I hope you enjoyed the cruise chronicles and I'll see you again tomorrow.